Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Cropper here with a poem which I wrote months ago, and it's very short, and I should have recorded it by now, but here it is. If happiness is difficult obtained, recall the reason humans are so strained. As Darwin pointed out, we are evolved to reproduce, no further problem solved. The end. About happiness and why it's so difficult to obtain. I'll recite it once more just for the fun of it, because poems are always good the second and third time. If happiness is difficult obtained, recall the reason humans are so strained. As Darwin pointed out, we are evolved to reproduce, no further problem solved. So if you wonder why is life so difficult, well, it's because our genes get passed on through a sexual act. And once that happens, the larger picture, the metaphysical nature of you and stuff, doesn't matter. Once your genes are on to the next generation, nature doesn't care about you unless you're going to make pass some more on, next year or something. Then it might be interested. But that's all it cares about is you passing on genes. So it's a malevolent view, almost, of man, but it's a realistic view. We can't just be platonic and lovey-dovey and floating about what humans are doing on this planet, because what we are doing is we are screwing often enough that we are still here. And we have to keep doing that. Reproduction is the name of the existence of the human race, in broad evolutionary Darwinian terms. That's why happiness is difficult obtained. It's not high on the checklist of Darwin, unless you call passing on your genes happiness, which some of us might be tempted to do. So, if happiness is difficult obtained, recall the reason humans are so strained. As Darwin pointed out, we are evolved to reproduce, no further problem solved.